The Low Rider ST.
Low Rider ST, the Stinson 48 build.
Wow, we've never seen this before, right?
No, this bike's been finished for about 6 months now.
Okay.
But we've kept it hidden, we've kept it away from the limelight because we wanted to unveil it here. I thought it was the best thing to do. So this bike is based on a 1948 Stinson aeroplane.
Wow.
The station wagon of the sky. And there'll be a beautifully shot by Adam video coming up shortly on our YouTube channel, probably early summer, where we're going to film this bike with the plane it's based on. That's going to be a pretty epic video.
Incredible.
So keep an eye out for that on the YouTube channel. Where do we start?
Yeah, like,
I mean,
there's so many cool features.
do you know what, Matt is such a lovely guy, and he was very trusting but also very particular. He's very particular about the aeroplane because he restored it himself.
Okay.
To get things right with the bike, he had a specific list of things that he needed to happen with the machine to make sure that it was in keeping with what we were doing. And then on the flip side of it, he just went, there you go, Mike, and he disappeared. And just left me to it, which is amazing. So we have done some beautiful paint by our good friends at Image Design Custom. This beautiful navy blue and antique white with the bronze pin. Now the aeroplane's got more of a gold pin, but to be in keeping with the wheels, we colour matched to the wheels on this one. And to be honest, when you park the bike next to the plane, you wouldn't really, it's evidently obvious that this bike is based on that plane.
You wouldn't see the difference.
No, not at all. So there's plenty of really nice features on this motorcycle. Let's talk about the engine first of all. So we took the 117 motor, added the ventilator extreme air cleaner in black, but then we chromed out cam cover, transmission cover, and the upper rocker tops, and then did the lower rockers in antique white along with the push rods. And then we did the collars in the bronze to pick up on the wheels and the pin line in the paint. Black lifter blocks in gloss just to match in, kind of pull in the frame really more than anything, in the bars and the grips and things. We changed out their fender rails for chrome as well, just to pull that all together. And then you got a Saddleman SDCC.
I love the seat.
Yeah, so this was retrimmed by our good friends at D-Class Automotive, so thank you, Dave. You always do a banging job for us and I really appreciate it. So this is Napa leather with this navy blue piping. It's pretty much an exact on the seat that's in the plane, except the seat in the plane is tan leather.
Yeah.
But to be honest, we thought black would be a bit more durable for, you know, UK weather.
Definitely.
Matching backrest pad, laid-back plate. I like Harley accessories. They're good quality.
Yeah.
I really do. So we went for your 66 collection, timing cover, derby cover, mirrors. You've got the Harley moustache engine guard. You've got the Harley-Davidson Dominion foot pegs. Get a grip grips. You've got little chrome switches just to pull in the chrome elements of the bike. Again, 66 collection gas cap.
I really like that they match.
Yeah,
there's like a lot of fine detail in this.
You know, as you look around the bike, you start to realise actually it's not just a custom painted ST. There's a lot that's gone into this motorcycle.
Definitely.
It is beautiful. Probably my favourite feature because I love music. It's got the Rockford Fosgate stereo system on it. I'm telling you guys, right? For such a tiny stereo system, and it's Bluetooth, just connects straight to your phone. So you got your phone on the dash. It's like Wembley Stadium, this thing, and it's like tiny. I mean, you know, I'm sure Adam will zoom in some B-roll on this thing now, and it's just incredible. It's an amazing stereo system. Yeah, around to the other side, just further chroming stuff out. So you've got, you know, your coil pack cover, primary, 66 collection derby cover just there. All the bags are detachable. We flushed out the Harley-Davidson logo, sorry about that. But just for continuity really, just to make the whole bike flow really nicely. Now you'll notice, if we go back around to the other side, myself and Matt were quite particular about the flow of this paint scheme. So you will notice that this fairing pin line perfectly follows the tank. Everything about this, you know, aesthetically fits just as it should. I'm really proud of this one, and to be honest, when I saw Matt's reaction, you know, that was everything. He was absolutely made up with the finish of this bike. So
can't wait to see the video with Matt.
Yeah, no, it's going to be fantastic, and I can't wait to film the bike down at Goodwood. Yeah, and that will be on our YouTube channel soon. It's going to be superb.
Thank you, Mike. Here with Dev from Triumph UK. Dev, tell us about the new models for 2024. We are so excited.
Yeah, so obviously hugely excited to be here at the London show. with the season just around the corner now. You know, the sun's coming out, the weather's improving, and we've got loads of new bikes to get people excited about this year. The bike behind me, makes sense to start there, is an updated version of the Tiger 1200, which we revealed only yesterday, so ultra exclusive. This is the first time that people will have had the chance to see this bike in public, and it takes everything that's fantastic about the existing Tiger 1200, which is in itself quite a recent bike, just refines it and takes it to that next level, improving the comfort. The seat is a little bit wider, flatter, so there's better standover, and quite a few refinement improvements on the bike, which you can really feel. So just taking a fantastic bike and making it that little bit better, and we're really excited about that for this year.
Great, and tell us more. What other bikes are we excited about? I've seen the Daytona.
Yeah, I mean, it's an incredibly busy year for Triumph this year. We've got a new Daytona 660, which is being launched, and that's going to sort of join the 660 stable alongside the Trident and the Tiger Sport. So it's based on that 660 platform, but making quite a bit more power.
Yep.
So aimed at that kind of emerging sports rider, really. So that whole part of the market's evolved a little bit. It's not the ultra high performance sports bike of old. It's a more road focused sports bike for people coming through that we think is going to be very exciting. You know, good value proposition for people. The pricing is competitive. It looks great, and I think we're going to do really well with that bike this year.
Fantastic. And any other models? I mean, we have got so many incredible bikes on this stand.
Yeah, it's a treasure of riches, but you know, I think other bikes that are obviously of the moment this year, we've got a new Tiger 900, which is a significant update. So that's kind of, again, building on what people love about that bike. It's a fan favourite. It's probably our best-selling bike in the UK. Yeah. But significantly more power, which is the first time that we've really, you know, increased the power dramatically on the bike since its launch. And again, it's got a whole host of other updates. The electronics is improved from a dash perspective, which again was something customers were asking for. So listening to what customers wanted really, and responding to that, and I expect again that's going to do very well. And crikey, beyond that, there's a whole host of other exciting stuff too. We've got our new off-road bike here for the first time. So again, it's fantastic watching people's reaction to that, and that's all new space for us as a brand. We've started racing now with the Supercross already over in the States, and that's going well, so that's generating a lot of traction. We've got our new 400s this year as well, again, sort of targeting a new space in the market for us, and those have been phenomenally well received, and I think it's really going to take Triumph to a whole new audience. And aside from that, you know, all of the existing bikes in the range, you know, that people love, they've got new colours and things, so there's just a load of stuff going on. And if you haven't taken a look, you definitely need to, because it's going to be an awesome year for Triumph this year.
Thank you so much, Dev. It's been a pleasure to speak to you.
And to you.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Michael, tell us, what's going on behind us?
Yeah, this is JUMPSTART. This is something unique that we take to as many shows as possible. You know, one of the great things about, you know, Harley-Davidson, people, you know, they want to ride the bike, but, you know, you need a motorcycle license, you know, and it's lots to do, and people are a bit nervous. So JUMPSTART, basically you've got a fully working motorcycle bolted to a frame. There's a drum on bearings in the rear wheel, which allows you to basically simulate riding a motorcycle. So you accelerate, you go through the gears. So, you know, just been chatting to this lady's husband. She's ridden on the back of the bike for years and years, but not quite, you know, gone to, you know, the next step of riding the bike. So it's a great experience. You can get on the bike in the show. It's nice and safe. You get the experience of riding the bike, and so we do it as a sort of a taster of what it's like to, you know, experience a Harley-Davidson, because you get to hear the engine, feel the vibration. Hopefully it's just a bit of a catalyst to go, oh, actually this is really cool and I want to do it. The thing that's great this year is we've got a collaboration that's just started with Jekill and Hyde exhausts, and the bike on the Fat Bob that's on the stand has got a Jekill and Hyde exhaust which has dynamic sound control, so you can have it in sort of standard exhaust mode, put it into dynamic mode, and you know it sounds like that iconic, you know, deep rumble of a V-twin. So it's even better this year. So anyone who wants to come and experience a Harley without the need to go and get your motorbike licence, turn up at one of the shows and you can get on the JUMPSTART.
Well, I better get on it then.
You better get on it as well,
I've never done it.
You are a prime candidate, Lewis,
Yeah,
so we want to
yeah.
see you on there.
Yeah, I will. I'll do it later.
I'll hold you to that.
Yeah. Thanks,
Cool.
Michael.
All right, no worries.
We are now here with Frank from Dr. Jekyll and Hyde.
Hi, how you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Very happy to be here at London XL show. And also we are now officially partner of Harley-Davidson. I'm from Holland, where our factory is, and we have a great system of the exhaust. What we have is a valve, which we can open electronically. So you can choose between 3 sound levels.
Yeah.
Just a touch of a button. You can just choose if you want to be loud, or maybe in the morning you want to be quiet.
Yeah.
So we call it social sound control. It has European approval, so you can go abroad, no problems with the police. So that a lot of things to choose. We also have a 2-in-1. We do that for Harley from 84 and up. So a lot of things to choose from.
Fantastic.
Any questions?
I mean, you've gone through so much, but what's your favourite piece?
Well, actually what I'm proud is the heart of the system.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing now already for 25 years, and we're improving it all the way. So now also we have 4 years of warranty on it. Mm-hmm. So that makes it that we are very about quality.
Yeah. If you could choose any of these bikes here today, so if I could give you the keys and you could take it home, what would you choose?
Would be the Pan America because of my length. That fits me best.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Frank.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Hi guys, we're here at the MCN London Motorbike Show, and this is the new Tiger 1200 GT Explorer. It's been redesigned and updated for 2024. New front panelling at the front, isn't that lovely, Lois?
Yeah, it's amazing.
New colours as well for 2024. A few more mechanical updates, just fine-tuning those small bits and pieces, those comfort of life choices that really make the experience up to scratch. For those long distance tours on the motorway, it's the perfect thing to get out and about on.
What's your favourite colourway?
Oh, it's got to be this new red. It just absolutely,
red?
it really pops off the tank.
Yeah.
Really sets you apart from the crowds. Yeah, I'm completely in love with it. They've had this on a few other models previously, so it's nice to see them adopting it into the range a bit more. Yeah.
Fabulous. And tell us, so if I could give you the keys to any bike today, you could take it home, what are you taking?
Oh, it's got to be this one here.
It's going to be this
I love
one.
my touring, I love going across countries, I love
Yeah.
doing my big 500 mile plus days.
Amazing.
And we know from the Guinness World Record that you can literally sit on this all day. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's going to be the GT Explorer all day.
Perfect. Thank you
Absolutely.
so much,
You're
Jackson.
welcome.
Thank you.
Hey guys, we're here at the MCN show at the Trike stand. We thought we'd show you around what we are absolutely loving because it's gone absolutely brilliantly. It's been great to have everyone down, get to see the new motocross bike, the new Daytona as well. But we've also got Mike here to try and ask to see what he really likes about them and if there's any favourites that you have.
Obviously being working at LIND Guildford Harley-Davidson, running Guildford Custom for, well, it's just, 15 years. I have a Triumph.
He does.
And coming over and just having a look at what you got on offer. I love the Daytona, the RS. I really like the Trident, sorry.
Yeah.
I've got a Street Scrambler,
Yep.
900 myself. But I'm sitting on this little 400. This just looks really funky and fun, man.
Yeah.
I mean, this is kind of, I hear you guys are doing really well with this because it's just 400cc,
That's
little
it.
ripper.
Yeah,
You got
lightweight.
the Speed 400 as well, haven't
That's
you?
right. So any kind of green laney adventure,
Yeah.
very playful, high up bar position, very easy to throw around, and yeah, great for the lanes.
It's a nice little light bike. Yeah, I think, do you know what, if I had to pick a bike, I mean, to be honest, I'd probably buy the motocross bike. But if I had to pick a machine right now, yeah, I'd quite like this little 400. I just think this
Yeah, you
little
wouldn't go
ripper,
wrong.
getting to
Yeah,
work,
yeah.
through the lanes, just looks like a good fun bike.
Yeah.
Do you know what, I think Adir's had a really, really good day.
I have had a really good day.
He's talked to lots of amazing customers. Do you know what, actually, there are some beautiful bikes on the stand.
Yeah.
They are,
Yeah,
amazing.
there's been some super popular bikes from today's show, being the Daytona 660, the Motocross 250. Everyone's been excited to see. It's the first time everyone gets to see them. There's plenty of other models here for everyone to come and see. It's been a very busy day, but it's been great.
Before we pull you over from Triumph and just sort of have a look around the Harley-Davidson stand, I mean, anything that's sticking out to you?
Quite a few things. I'm not the best clued up person with Harleys. I haven't got the wealth of knowledge as Mike has, but there's a few that have caught my eye. What is this?
Well, it's like we staged it and everything by standing here, but it's nice of you to point out this one actually, dear, because this is a Guildford Custom Sportster S that we built a little while back for our good friend Tom. It's a house of colour, candy apple red, half Napa leather, Alcantara C, carbon fibre exhaust, stuff like that.
Yeah, it looks great.
Again, I mean, I don't know with the Triumphs if you have like adjustable ride mode,
interesting,
ABS, traction control, all that. It's all built into this machine, and you also get moving map satellite navigation.
Right. Okay.
In the screen and stuff.
Right.
So. Yeah, it's cool. Anything else that's caught your
yeah,
eye? I mean, we've got our adventure bike offering as well, which is pretty cool.
Let's go for a little walk.
Yeah, so this is pretty decent.
I've heard a lot about this.
It's a cracking bike. I mean, obviously this is our answer to the Tiger.
Right, okay.
For you guys, which is pretty cool. Customization options pretty good on these as well. I don't know if you have that sort of thing.
Same sort of system, but
exhaust,
different parts.
Panniers, box it, and all that sort of stuff. So that's pretty cool. I mean,
awesome.
Obviously we do a trike. That's pretty cool.
There we go. We've got a trike. Right.
Jump on, man. Jump
on.
on.
This is my first trike I've ever seen in person. It's been a while.
Yeah? No, this is the Freewheeler. Hop on, man.
Right, let's have a seat.
There you go. We have a convert.
Dude, that is an absolute sofa. That
is
an absolute sofa. Do I suit the thing?
I think you do, mate.
Do you reckon?
That's it. Come on, let's go for a ride. You're filming, aren't you?
Are you ready? Oh.
Yeah, running.
Wow. What a show.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah.
Do you know, it's been amazing though, like seeing so many of our current customers, both with Harley-Davidson and Triumph, some of our BMW customers as well has been good. Being on the Harley stand all day and working with the guys from Harley UK has been absolutely great. Have you had a good day?
I've had the best day.
Seen some cool stuff?
Yeah, I've seen some cool bikes. I've spoke to some really cool people, including yourself, Matt. And
well, you know.
Yeah, like I can't believe like how many amazing motorcycles there are.
What is your absolute highlight?
My absolute highlight,
yeah.
I mean, it's definitely seeing everyone from LIND here. I'm looking at them all. Honestly, like it's so great just being with the team, different environment. We get to see really cool bikes and speak to amazing people.
No, it's been a wicked show. Enjoy this video. Adam's caught loads of content. You've worked really hard today. I know Adair over at Triumph has done absolutely everything he can as well today. In fact, he's behind the camera right now.
He is.
The show closes shortly. I'm tired, you're tired. Who fancies a drink?
Yeah.
Yeah? Last one to the bar's buying.